Okay, friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Beginner teaches Python programming to himself. So the question is, there are many experts YouTube's available for who are teaching the Python, and they are really good. They are the best. Then why it is required for a beginner? I can put it this way that experts are experts, so they don't know what a beginner is suffering. So this is the beginner. When he is trying to learn, he comes across many problems, and you can treat this as a diary of anyone who is a beginner and trying to learn. So this can be seen as a diaries of beginner as he comes across and how he is progressing himself. So guys, we saw the other time this string, and I said s is equal to anything. For example, here Python. So in that we saw how to make it print. So print s, that is very beginning way. So Python will be printed. Then if I can say print s uppercase, only upper I have to do, open and close. Excuse me for my misprinting. If you do anything which is unexpected, Python will throw an error. So if you put it upper, then that will be uppercase. If I say print s dot lower, obviously everything will be turned into lower. If I say print, we have seen, because it is already one letter is capital, so it won't to be uh, showing the first letter. So if I print s dot title, it will be title. If I say s dot replace with this word by other word, that will be replaced. We have seen it in everything in the last video. So the question somebody can ask, how we can remember everything? So you don't have to remember anything. You don't have to remember. Only here thing is understanding. So now if I see s dot, the prompts are coming there. You can see all the prompts are coming. So here you have to understand this thing and you have to be utilizing the thing. So if I say uh, type s, then it will be given that it is a type of string. So if I say, for example, a is equal to say 5, and if I ask the same question, type, what type of this a, then it will show that it is a integer. So it will be showing that it is integer. If I say a is equal to say 4.3, okay, and again I am asking what is a, this time it will show that it is a decimal. So it will show that it is a floating point. It will say it is a float. What is a, it is a float. So we have seen it is a, there are strings, there are integers, there are float. Okay, so I will open a new page because this is getting crowded. So my anybody can ask that how can we remember everything? You are telling many things, and how can we remember? Here you don't have to remember anything. uh, s is equal to say my name Rajesh. Okay, so you don't have to remember anything. You can do, you can print the directory. Okay, and so much things will be coming. So you don't have to remember anything up to here. Whatever underscore is given, these are all functions. You can see our favorite len function is here. Len, it will giving the length of the string, and there are many things. I have not gone through all these things. All I want to say that whatever coming up to here, they are functions, and whatever from here up to down, they are called methods. So what we are seeing this method, upper class, lower class, is it alphabetical, is it numeric, left strip, right strip, all these things. Many things I have not gone through also. My another favorite is split. S dot split will convert string into list. That's one of the very utilized one. So this is the all things are there. This is what I want to tell you. So simply type dir, that means the directory, and it will give you everything. So no need to memorize anything. In India, the old-fashioned education, there used to be some textbooks, and people used to, I mean, students, even I was at that time, used to mug up and by heart these things, and that things were asked in exams, and people were reproducing this. It was not education at all, in my opinion. That was simply a memory test. And the same book was repeated 30 years, 40 years, generations after generation change. And where is the education? It is only the, what do you call, the only memory test. Where is the creation? Here in Python, there is creativity. You can create things. So you don't have to remember anything. Everything is available. Go to YouTube and whatever your question, type it. You'll get hundreds of lectures available. So all I want to say that here the question of understanding and question of creativity, what we can create from this thing. So quickly we'll go to math operation. Next my subject will be maths. So let's come to maths. Don't get scared with the word maths, math operations. Don't get scared because you have got this Python, which is very smart and very strong assistant for you. So all you have to give the task to him and he will work for you. So let's make maths, the boring subject, into interesting subject. For example, I say I took two words. For example, A is equal to say 7 and b is equal to, I don't know, say 3, and we'll do some math operation. I made some small case and uppercase, so I'll change a is equal to 7, small case. So forget this first part, this first forget, so we'll give small case a and small case b. Okay, b is equal to 3. So we'll do some math operation. What is the operation? A plus b. A plus b I make, you'll get the answer 10. A minus b, you'll get the answer 4. Then a multiplied by b, obviously you should get answer how much? 21. And a minus, we have seen minus already, a divided by b. So here you get a float 2.3. And these are familiar operations. So what is the new thing is that a module b, a, it is given by slash slash b, and you will get the, here you see you'll get only 2. The next decimal will be ignored, so only the whole number will be given. So 2. The meaning of this is that the dividend is only shown and the remainder is not shown. For remainder there is one more, a this percentage sign b. So here this is remainder, so only one is given. That means if we divide 7 by 3, you get this dividend 2 and the remainder is 1, right? So is it clear? It should be clear. I'll put it this way. 7 divided, we have already done it, 7 divided by 3. So this is the, what do you call, the total answer. And if you get module, that means only a dividend will be there, and this is only for remainder. So other day I said in string is expressed by single quotes, or it is expressed by double quotes. Okay, and it is also expressed by triple quotes. So triple quotes, the use is that you can use multiple lines. Okay, so quickly I'll put all this summary into one triple quote, and how it will look like. It will look like this. So here I put S is equal to triple quote, and I put all this summary of this and completed this triple quote, and I'll say print S. Okay, so I have saved it already, and I'll run it. So it is coming like this one. So here is this. I give a demo of triple quote, as well as I have put the summary here. So this is addition. 7 plus 3, it is denoted by number plus. Subtraction denoted by number minus. Multiplication denoted by asterisk or star. Division given by slash. Module means the dividend, given by double slash. And remainder is given by this percentage side. There is also to the power. To the power is also there. So let us see that also. How we can make squares. How we can make squares. So I'll open a fresh one for this one. It is given by, for example, I want to make 2 to the power 2. I want to make square of 2. I want to make square of 3. So double star, it will be to the power, right? If I say 4 to the power 2, then square of 4 will be coming. If I say 4 to the power 3, the meaning of this is, I'll say, it is like 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, 3 times. So the answer will be 64. Yeah. So if I make 2 to the power, say 5, the meaning of this is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 5 times. This is the meaning of it, right? And if I press enter, this will be the answer. 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 8 multiplied by 2, 16 multiplied by 2, 32. So that's the I will put that also. I should have put that also in my summary, but I forgot that. Next time I'll put that also, or even I can put it now. I can put it now also, to the power. Just I will add one more here. Here I'll put. I can do that. So it will be accommodating 7 to the power 2. So here will be coming. The answer will be 7 into 7. The answer should be 49. And I will say that this is to the power. To the power. So I can put that also in my, and I'll say save it. So that is also added. Double star, it will be power. So all in this one, how many minutes your attention span is the, should I continue one more for today's? It should not be lengthy. This is my always the objective. It should not be lengthy. So I try to keep it short, but I want to add something also today, just to make some more meaningful. Okay, let's discuss with this much information. Can we make a program, one good program? See here, how you'll express amounts in words. For example, I want to express this amount, say 5,460. I want to make a program that input will give a given user will give this input, and output should be the how many thousands and how many hundreds are there, it should be there. So how can we do that? We'll use that module function. What we learn in the module function, that in the module function we learned that if you use the module, the only whole number will be coming 7 module 3, the answer will be 2. How? We will see the whole number will be coming. So here what we'll do, I will open a fresh one just to explain how I'll be doing it. So my input is 5640 and I want to output should come as a 5400 like this. So I'll use the module. What I'll do, divide by 1000. Excuse me, it should be module 5460. Module we denote by double slash and I'll use 1000. So it will be reading the only module of this, only the dividend. What is that? 5. It has ignored the other thing. So this way, and next time 460 and 100, then it will be reading only 4. So I'll use these ideas to read it, and hope I'll not make it more complicated for you. I want to make it simple for you always. Okay, so here the amount is given by input and you have to output should be how much it is. Just a quick note that in Indian system 100,000 is called lakh in Indian system, and that is derived by the Sanskrit word laksha. International system we call 100,000 is called 100,000. So we'll do it in Indian way also, and also we'll do it in international way also. So one quick program for you. Here one group. So what I have done here, I have taken input function. So user will put his amount. I have converted that will be string, so it maths operation will not happen on that. So we convert it into integer. So what we do, say any number, say t is equal to integer amount, and then I take module of that. I divide this by 100,000. If it is greater than equal to 1, we'll call it lakh in Indian system. And then I have removed this lakh. I subtracted this, and then the remaining amount I divide by 1000. So whatever will be the module, we'll call that many thousand. We'll subtract that also, and for the remaining we'll divide by 100. So we are taking a module by 100, and whatever will be the answer, it will be 100, that many. And then the whole t divide, this is remainder 100. So whole amount you divide by 100, whatever be the remainder, it is the remaining thing only. So I'll run it for you. Don't get confused, just understand the use of module and how a beginner can make some interesting, enter your amount. So for example 5460, output is 5460, right? So here normally the output is always come as a new line. Here I change it to the same line. I write end is equal to space. So it will continue this line, and then the second line again I said end is equal to space, so it will not be a new line. This way end is equal to space, so it will be writing a continuous way. Now I'll again put it one more time, run, and here I'll say the enter your amount. I'll say 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how much it is? In Indian way it is called 1,23,456. So I'll hit enter. See, rupees 1,23,460 only. So this is the use of module. Don't get confused, make it simple. You can take it easy, and okay, now same thing I have done it in international systems only. We don't use the word lakh, we use million. If it is 1,000,000, it's called million. Okay, so in Indian system we can say 10 lakh is equal to international 1 million. Okay, fine. So same way, nothing, only I had taken dividend by 1 million. So if it is true, that means if it is greater than 1 or equal to 1, it will be mentioned as million, otherwise no mention will be there. So let's make it simple. I will make a run for you. Don't get confused, make it simple only. I want to show the use of module and the remainder. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and I press enter. Answer is there, 1 million 243 243,567 only. So I think this is a little heavy dose today for you. Just take it easy, try yourself, and that's the our objective for this one. Thank you very much.